3, 2, 1, 0.
Yo, what is up? Back here again, or just back here. So, yeah, just gonna make a little video. I'm actually packing for vacation, going to Las Vegas. All my clothing out here. Just gonna like get ready for the vacay. Step number 1, the guy's packing guide. Oh, that goes well. Guy's packing guide. 3 G's. So step number 1 is you want to have everything folded. Like, it has to be like folded up properly. So like shirts, you can't just shove stuff in. Once you shove stuff in, it's just like game over. You won't be able to fit as much stuff in. So like the more you can fold, the smaller everything is, the less air there is in here. It means more space, so you can pack more stuff. Sweatshirts, by the way, you want to try to like push everything to the side, so then you have enough room for your sweatshirts, because they tend to take up a little more space. Right here in the corners. People waste so much space. Compact everything into the corners. Use the corners to guide you for like where you should put more stuff. A nice shirt. Make sure you put that in last so you don't ruin it. Be very careful where you put it. So like try to protect it. Here's again with the sides. The sides are all reinforced, or somewhat more reinforced. So you can try to protect it with the sides. Here, like for example, right here. The collar of the shirt is under here a little, so like even another layer of protection from just being smushed with all the other clothing. You have more than one pair of shoes. You keep on stacking them, bottom to top. 2 bottoms always touching, or 2 tops always touching. That way, you don't get anything as dirty. But try to keep your shoes from like touching your clothing, because most people go on vacation, they don't have a washing machine. So when you put a power strip in, let's talk about other stuff to bring with you on vacations to hotels. Power strip. Most hotels, terrible outlets, terrible lighting, whatever. You just open up the window or open up the curtain. Outlets always bring a power strip. Either bring a power strip or a USB hub. Always bring a power strip. Oh, and if you also have like a fire stick,